In the Transform panel we can configure video standard conversions, frame rate conversions, video resample, and aspect ratio conversions. The selected conversion will be applied to all videos, and in case the source videos have different standards, the conversion will be configured automatically for each video. Depending on the conversion selected, new frames may be generated using motion estimation techniques. For faster processing, it is recommended to have selected a CUDA or OpenCL GPU card in the options dialog. Video resample supports several formats, for example standard SD, HD, 2K, 4K and 8K, cinema formats in HD and 4K, vertical formats, or web formats. Frame rate conversions support all video standards, NTSC and PAL. Old film at 16 and 18 frames per second progressive. High quality deinterlacing. HD pull-down removal to 24p or 25p. Conversions to slow motion from interlaced or progressive videos. And frame rate corrections. Frame rate corrections change the video frame rate without modifying the original video, and stretches the audio to match the new video duration. For example, if you have videos recorded at 30 frames per second, and want to correct the frame rate to standard NTSC 2997 fps, simply import the videos and select correct frame rate to 2997 fps. Standard conversions can be configured with the conversion presets. All the conversions from any video source format are supported. We can select any conversion to SD, HD, 4K, 8K, in NTSC or PAL. For example, to convert all videos to HD 1080 progressive at 24 frames per second, selected in the presets. We can import any video standard or non-standard format, for example NTSC HD Interlaced. 4K at 24 fps. PAL HD at 50 fps. PAL HD Interlaced. SD in NTSC or PAL. Or NTSC HD at 60 fps. When rendering the videos, all will be converted to the selected HD 1080 progressive at 24 fps. We can also configure the video resample and frame rate conversion separately. For example, to convert all the videos HD 1080, keeping the original frame rates, select HD 1080 in video resample, and leave the frame rate conversion as no frame rate conversion. Or to convert all video frame rates to NTSC 30p or PAL 25p keeping the original video dimensions, leave video resample as no video resample, and select convert to 30p or 25p as frame rate conversion. To deinterlace the videos, just select deinterlace in the frame rate conversions. When converting progressive videos to interlaced, for example 4K to HD interlaced, it is recommended to activate always the anti-flicker temporal filter in the conversion options dialog. The spatial filter is recommended in case the video still present flickering when the temporal filter activated. The spatial filter can be activated along with the temporal filter. By default the filter value is 40. Finally, when converting between formats with different aspect ratios, for example SD to HD, or HD to Cinema 2.35:1, the aspect ratio can be converted in automatic or manual mode. The automatic mode is selected by default and it is configured in the Resample Options dialog. In the aspect ratio conversions method setting, we can select black bars or zoom to fill the new aspect ratio. We also can select the manual mode by activating the aspect ratio feature. For detailed information about aspect ratio conversions configuration, see the aspect ratio conversions tutorial. If you want to resample a video to a non-standard dimensions, open the Resample Options dialog. And in the Set Custom Video Dimensions and Aspect Ratio, enter a video width and height. And set a pixel aspect ratio. Usually the pixel aspect ratio is 1:1, this is, square pixels. And then in Video Resample select Custom Video Dimensions. All the videos will be resampled to the defined dimensions. Thanks for watching.